Ancient giant creature number 3, Liopleurodon. The apex predator of the Jurassic Seas. Liopleurodon was a massive marine reptile that ruled the oceans during the late Jurassic period, approximately 160 to 155 million years ago. It belonged to the family Pliosauridae, a group of short-necked plesiosaurs known for their immense skulls, powerful jaws, and strong flippers that made them highly efficient swimmers. As an apex predator, Liopleurodon was at the top of the marine food chain, hunting a variety of prey, including fish, squid-like cephalopods, and even other large marine reptiles. The actual size of Liopleurodon has been a topic of debate among paleontologists. Early estimates, particularly from the BBC documentary Walking with Dinosaurs, suggested Liopleurodon could grow up to 25 meters, 82 feet, long, making it one of the largest marine reptiles ever. However, more recent fossil evidence indicates that most Liopleurodon specimens were between 6 and 7 meters, 20 to 23 feet, long, with some exceptional individuals possibly reach 10 meters, 33 feet. Liopleurodon weight is estimated to be around 1.5 tons, though larger individuals could have been heavier. Liopleurodon had a massive skull that could reach up to 1.5 meters, 5 feet, in length in the largest specimens. Liopleurodon jaws were lined with razor-sharp, conical teeth, some of which were over 10 centimeters, 4 inches, long. These teeth were perfectly adapted for gripping and tearing apart prey, much like modern-day crocodiles. Liopleurodon's bite force is estimated to have been one of the strongest of any marine reptile, capable of easily crushing bones and disabling its prey with a single bite. Unlike long-necked plesiosaurs, Liopleurodon had a relatively short but muscular neck, which allowed for powerful head movements when attacking prey. Liopleurodon had a robust, streamlined body that was built for speed and agility. One of Liopleurodon's most distinctive features was its 4 large, paddle-like flippers, which provided powerful propulsion through the water. Unlike modern whales or sharks that rely on a tail for movement, Liopleurodon used all 4 flippers in a coordinated motion, similar to a sea turtle, allowing for precise and rapid movements in the ocean. As an apex predator, Liopleurodon was one of the most dominant creatures in the Jurassic Seas. It had an exceptional sense of smell, which allowed it to detect prey from long distances. It likely used ambush tactics, relying on bursts of speed to overtake its victims. Liopleurodon's diet consisted of a variety of marine life, including fish,